What are some of the factors that I think might affect growth in my industry? Well, I think that Google, Facebook, and Twitter will continue to dominate the industry. I think that companies will find new ways to utilize the data that they get from these social network sites so that they can target their audience and target you better. One of the biggest factors I think that will affect the internet marketing industry in this coming year is the continued interest in social media sites like Google, Facebook, and Twitter. I think that companies will find new ways to utilize the data from one of these companies, and then they will find a way to cross-reference it with maybe the others and target you in new and interesting ways. I think there are not a lot of companies utilizing social media marketing, and I think that more companies will jump on board. I think that there'll be a continued interest, or actually a newer interest in geolocation social networking sites like Foursquare, where you go somewhere and you check in, and once you check in, you are offered coupons for places either nearby, that are advertising on Foursquare, or they might offer you a coupon for where you currently are. What are some of the industry innovations and developments for the internet industry? Google Penguin, which is the code name for a Google update to their algorithm. What this algorithm does is it's aimed at decreasing the search engine rankings for websites that violate their one of their guides. And also there is another algorithm that they updated called Google Panda, which is it's another algorithm aimed at lowering the search or the ranking of low quality sites. I also think that Windows 8 is one of the innovations that will affect internet marketing. Although most people have decided and voiced their opinion that they don't like Windows 8, I think one good thing about Windows 8 is that it integrates with multiple social media accounts directly, with the operating system. And what this does is that it allows you to track people and companies or brands. If you were to have a Facebook account and you wanted to know when someone was ready to chat, or when someone gave an update, you could have a Windows tile flip over and give that update. What does the competitive environment look like for my industry in the future? And are there any new competitors that may enter the marketplace, and possible changes to current competitors that might impact the outlook for my industry? In my industry, there are new startups everywhere. There's an enormous amount of competition, but I think that internet marketing is still growing, and there's still a lot of room for growth. However, in the not so distant future, I think that the measurement for success will become more defined. Thank you for watching the video. I welcome any comments you might have on the internet marketing industry, or anything that I've said or done, or how to make this video better. Thank you. Have a good evening.